already got the VRSF charge pipe setting right there, which we'll unbox it together just in case you want to see how it looks, the quality of it, whatever. And then, so yeah, let me show you what happened. Right down there, if I can get it to focus, boom. Right at the T-map sensor flange, it busted. It literally popped so hard that, like, I thought something just exploded. And then the car jerked really bad. So if you have that happen to you, just this is the first place to look. So as you can tell, I JB welded mine back on because I didn't get the replacement charge pipe for like 2 weeks, and I kind of needed the car and I couldn't use my wife's car, so I had to improvise. So yeah, just another tip: if you have that happen to you and you need a car, you can glue that sucker back on there, and if you don't go too crazy hard, it actually held up pretty well, not gonna lie. All right, well, anyway, let's open this one up, have a look at it, and then we'll get to the install. Comes bubble wrapped nicely. Looks like you got your rubber sleeve in here. Nice. You got your clamps, and this is my first time looking at this, guys, by the way, so we're gonna inspect it together. And that's what you get. It's super light, by the way. The one I had on my 335 was like an eBay charge pipe, and it was steel. It was pretty heavy. This one is extremely light. Alright guys, so to get this charge pipe swapped out, you have to get the airbox off and out of the way, because it'll make your life a lot easier getting down to this screw and then moving this air intake out of the way so that you can get down to that screw, which is what's going to your front mount intercooler pipe down there. So yeah, the first step is to get all the airbox stuff off. So this one is kind of pryable with the flathead screwdriver. Up here you use the flathead screwdriver to get that clamp off, and then you then proceed by taking these rubber things off, getting these out of the way, and then this airbox should just pop off. Alright, let's get to it. Pretty easy. Pops right out. Alright, now we can swing this out of the way. Yeah. Kind of just wiggle it out. Put it here. Now we can get our vacuum hoses out of the way, which you just squeeze these tabs and it should pop. Ooh. Just be careful, don't rush. Some plastic things like to break once in a while. So I'm just gonna swing this out of the way. Down here, trying to get this one off by hand. Boom, popped really easily. Then you want to get this thing out, which is a T30. Now, next thing we'll do, we'll remove our T-map sensor, which is T25. And these screws here, we're not going to be reusing these because the new ones, they came with the new charge pipe or the special thread for it, so these are going to garbage basically. Now we get the T-map out, swing that out of the way. Now we're ready to pump the throttle body clamp and get our charge pipe out here. And then don't forget about down here, this clamp in here with the flat head screwdriver. So let's get this one out now. We're gonna take this one completely out because we're gonna use a new one that came with the kit, with the new charge pipe kit. Yeah. Whoops. Alright, now we're ready to pop this one out and get the charge pipe off the car. Essentially, you just pull it down, it comes right out. Very easy, take your time. Now we'll pry this one out. Comes out just like that. Alright, now we have the two pipes side by side. Obviously this one is gonna last forever compared to the plastic garbage one. And then here are the screws I was talking about for the new flange that will go down there. And then the little gasket they give you, we'll slap that on as well. Another sort of a thing I realized that the new pipe doesn't have this little holder piece here, so I went ahead and I've removed that screw from in here because we're no longer going to need it. So we'll slide this fat part in first, and then I'm not going to put it on just yet because I want to put my sleeve in first. So I'm gonna try and push this down as far as I can, and then I'm gonna grab my sleeve. I'm gonna try not to forget the small clamp. Pop that in first. And then put this one in. There you go. That's going in. Because you can manipulate the rubber. Can't even talk, I'm getting tired. More so than you can do it with here at the aluminum to aluminum. So I'm gonna squeeze this down. Holy moly, guys. So that was actually that actually gave me all kinds of fitment issues and got me sweating, but we got it in here. Now we should be able to just gently pop this back on and we're in business. Just like so. Boom. Alright guys, now we got our intake piece in. Took a little wiggling around to get that in there secure. We're getting ready to put the air box in. Another quick tip, I found it much easier to put this in first, this side. Make sure it all aligns and clips in. We're good here. Then you wanna align it nicely here. Slide this one in. Make sure all your grommets are aligned. And I think we should be able to just press that back in. Yep. You can feel it when it goes in. And now your air box is secure. One last thing. Our magic flat hat screwdriver. Alright guys, as usual, I hope you enjoyed this DIY. I got a little dirty, but I really hope this will help you to upgrade your own charge pipe. And as usual, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share. I appreciate you all. Till the next one. Peace.